Okay, we're at the Airport Rail Link Station, Phaya Thai BTS here in Bangkok. We've got ticket machines over there and we've got somewhere where you can go and get a pastry if you want. Nice modern ticket machines here, so you can buy tickets, you can top up and you can use your rabbit card. And you've got your instructions here, so how do you buy your tickets or how to buy. Tap screen and select your destination. So tap the screen, select your destination, select the number of tickets, so you can have up to 10. Okay, so if you're on your own, you're just one person. Make a payment. So you can make a payment here. You can insert coins, 1s, 2s, 5s and 10 baht, or you can insert here banknotes. So let's have a look. Make your payment, collect your tickets and change from down here, and that's about it. But I'm going to pay the traditional way using cash. Okay, I made a little mistake there. That place there is for tickets for the other BTS. Now if you follow this sign here, this is the airport rail link, so you should be able to purchase your tickets down here. Forgot all about that. There we go. Welcome. Open 5:10 to 2400 hours. Okay. Okay, here you have your ticket vending machines. So I'm going to pay again by cash this time. Don't make that mistake that I made before, because I've not been on this route for a long time. This is where you get your tickets. สวัสดีครับสุวรรณภูมิ
45 baht, please.
Okay, 45 baht 45 baht.
Thank you.
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Okay, look at the colour of this one. It's red. This Riandoi San here, it's red. Just swipe it on here. We're through. The signs, that's big enough, isn't it? Train to Suvarnabhumi Airport. รถไฟฟ้าไปสนามบิน Here we are on the platform. Remember, do not lean against the rail. ห้ามพิงราวกัน There's the stations, Phaya Thai, Ramkhamhaeng Hua Mak and Suvarnabhumi. Okay, the travel time for this train is about 25 to 30 minutes, I believe. Okay, here we are at Suvarnabhumi Airport. Okay, I think we'll go to the exit to the airport. And here we are in Suvarnabhumi Airport. Okay, that's just about it from Suvarnabhumi Airport. Thank you very much for coming along with me. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscription button below, and drop me a comment. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye.